What is meant by object-oriented programming?
So there's a lot of different methodologies when it comes to programming. I think history has kind of shown out that object-oriented programming is
One to go.
the one to go. I
Yeah.
mean, there's certain ones that maybe fit different roles. A lot of people have heard of functional programming, or maybe they're more familiar with procedural programming, which is where everything is designed out in methods. Object-oriented programming is really the idea that we wrap up all of our programming into these containers, which we're going to call objects,
Mm-hmm.
and that we program the interactions between these objects.
Mm-hmm.
And that's kind of the high-level overview. Um,
So when somebody asks this question, they're really what is meant by object? They really want to know what are the keywords they're looking for.
um, so we're going to have another video here in a minute on
But objects and classes.
objects and classes, which maybe goes a little more in depth. But it has to do with the idea of having these objects that can expose properties,
Mm-hmm.
expose methods,
Yeah.
and also keep internal things private that you don't want to show other people.
And another thing in interviews you want to know is OOP. OOP stands for object-oriented programming.
Know the
Make
buzzword.
sure that that's something, because they might shorten that, and then if you don't know what OOP is, that is important to know in an interview as well.
Yeah, I guess a lot of it is also, like I said, kind of black boxing things.
Right.
Where, okay, well, I have this object. Inside of it, I have a lot of logic. You don't need to know about all of that logic. I just need to know about the surface area of it that it exposes.
Yep. And that's one of the principles we'll talk about later when you get to more advanced interview questions.
All right.
Thank you for watching that video from F12 Programming. Please remember to like and subscribe. That does so much for us in the ratings. You have no idea. Also, don't forget to comment below. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck coding.